Hey everyone, it's Paula from WTI, and I just started playing pickleball, and I got this really nice set from YC Kasi. These are fiberglass material with a graphite face, so that means they're going to be super lightweight. Now, I love the grip on these. They are very well balanced, and it also comes with a protective edge guard, which is perfect because I'm probably going to drop these on accident. Now, it has 6 paddles. 2 of these are for children, and you'll see that they are slightly shorter on the handlebar. And I love that they included the replacement soft grips. We know those can get nasty. They had 6 balls. 3 of these are meant for indoor and 3 for outdoor. But as I am not a professional, I really couldn't tell the difference, so I used all of them outdoors. If you are thinking about getting into pickleball, this is your sign to do it right now. It is a fantastic sport because it is like miniature tennis, but without all the running. You get the satisfaction, it's fun, it's engaging, and this is by far the prettiest set that I saw out there. So get this for your family. You guys are all going to have a blast. And that's my point of view.